Hi, hello friends. So today I'm back with one new interesting video. So I wanna set my message notification sound to my phone. So I'm searching Pikapi Pikachu. That's Pokemon's song. And here it's first only Mop Cup. So you just enter it. Here is my ringtone. Pikachu. So this is my ringtone. So I'm just downloading for Android phone. So here download. So my ring my message notification sound is download. So here is my notification sound. So first I have kept Pikachu? This only Pikachu. So here add ringtone. Here search Pikapi Pikachu. So this one. Pikapi Pikachu. So okay. So you can set every ringtones in MobCup. So the link will be in the description box. So please check out.